everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here to bring you a quick color spotlight. This is a color spotlight on the color Snow Mix by Wille. And I am going to show the color on the Flair mono wig. So stick around if you want to see my take on this color, some details, an outside look, and hopefully that will help you with what you need to know. Alright everyone, this is going to be super quick. I did the review of this one with two different colors, and because of that I did not do the color, kind of in-depth talk about the color in the review. So here we are just to look at this color. If you want to know more about Flair Mono, please go to that review and I will link it in the description so you can see more about this particular piece. So Snow Mix, let me get up close to you guys and show you this color. And I'll read to you the codes and the description. So we have got a 60, 56, 58. Those are the codes in Snow Mix. 60.56.58. No rooting. Which makes this very realistic looking. So a 60 is a silver white. A 56 is a gray with brown. Now, my color index, which is on my website, heywigsister.com, I have two documents in my color index. One is a brand color list and one is a color index. The color index is where you can go to see the different codes and what they mean. I did a lot of research on this document and I continue to do research, and as I learn new things I update it. So when I looked up the code 56, I found that it's a gray with brown, and then I found in parentheses on one site 10%, meaning 10% brown. On another site, I saw 15%. So this one is some percentage of brown with a gray, So gray with brown is the color code 56. The color code 58, I could not find anywhere. I spent 20 minutes today Google searching, going through all the different lists I could find to see if I could find anyone that says what a 58 is. I could not find it. If you know what a 58 is in the color codes for wigs and things like that, please send me a message and tell me what it is so I can update my list. I don't know, but they list it as one of the codes in this color blend. And then they describe it as a pure pearl white, soft ash blonde with light gray and medium golden brown. That is how they describe this color. If I stand still, then my camera has a chance to really focus on it. I have a lot of light on me right now. If it's reflecting very, very shiny, I think that has a lot to do with the amount of light on me, and I don't really find this to be too shiny in real life. If you were to get this piece, sometimes blondes and very light colors can look shiny, and it will vary depending on the lighting. If you find a piece like this or any piece is too shiny, a dry shampoo is a great thing to use. You can just spray some dry shampoo on it. It will coat the fibers a little bit and tamp down that shine. Keep in mind that wigs, when they come from the manufacturer, they have a silicone coating on them that does wear off over time. That can contribute to the shine. So even just wearing or maybe doing a quick wash, I'm not a big fan of washing brand new wigs. Every time you wash it, it shortens the life of the wig a little bit. And so I don't like doing that. But if you really can't get past the shine, that's another thing that you can do to help sort of expedite the process of that shine going away. All right, everybody, so there's your look inside. I'm going to get outside for you so you can see this color outside, and then hopefully that will help you as you're looking at different pieces. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it, and I hope that you'll subscribe and watch some of my future videos. All right, everyone, here we are with Snow Mix outside. It's very cloudy today and very snowy. It really leans more on the white Not so much, it's a little bit of salt and pepper, but it leans much more on the white side of things than on the pepper side of things. There you go. Very pretty color. Thanks for watching.